Hey, everybody. I feel like stress is something that a lot of us are dealing with right now because of the COVID lockdown, because of the things in the media, um, just all the reasons. And even if that has nothing to do with it, we deal with stress constantly. There's always something that could be causing stress in your life, right? So part of that is just a choice to not focus on that and to get our focus on something positive. But there are also natural things that I've been doing with Young Living products to help me cope with some of the stress because I've been really battling that over the last few weeks. So I wanted to share with you what's working for me so that you can help yourself and also not be a negative impact on others. Because when I'm stressed out, I can see the negative effect that it has on my son and my husband, and that's not what I want to be in our home. I want to be a positive, uplifting influence and not something that kind of makes everybody cower because like mom's having a bad day, right? So the easiest, quickest way that you can help yourself to kind of get in a better place and mood is to either topically apply the oils or put them in your diffuser. So some of the ones I like to use are lavender. It helps to get your brain calm, let it get to a place of being able to process what's going on. Cedarwood has similar properties and benefits when you use it. Um, Also, frankincense is very grounding. It's good for many, 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 many things, but it's very good. A lot of people call it their squirrel oil. It just helps you kind of stop being so everywhere and everything and can calm you down. Stress away. Hello, people like made exactly for this type of situation. Why I don't think to grab this more often than I do not know. But I love this oil. It smells so, so good and it's great for either just like applying so I can smell during the day, like on me, or mixing it in my diffuser with different things. It makes all sorts of yummy smells, or just straight up on its own. Valor is also another one that I love to use if I'm having an emotional struggle. It promotes feelings of courage and it just smells really, really pretty. Bergamot is one that we got recently for free through our loyalty program. I had heard a ton about, but never had tried. And I love this. It has a little bit of a spicy kind of smell, which I like. It's from a fruit that's a cross between like a grapefruit and an orange. Um, so I love the smell of that oil, and I really enjoy combining it with our oil Citrus Fresh. So any citrus oil can be really uplifting for your mood. So this has, if I tip it the right way to read it, orange, tangerine, grapefruit, lemon, mandarin orange, and spearmint. So that one's really yummy. I love the smell of that, especially with the bergamot. And then also just lemon on its own can be very uplifting and brightening. So I like to either apply or diffuse those. If I'm applying them, I will put them like on the crown of my head, here in between my eyes. And just be careful not to get the oils in your eyes because that can sting. Or I'll put them straight over my heart. So simple, easy ways to use this. If you are using the citrus and you're going to be out in the sun, just be really careful. They can make your skin what we call photosensitive, which when the sun interacts, it makes you more prone to getting a sunburn. So if you're going to go outside, maybe choose something like lavender or frankincense. But if you're going to be inside, totally try the citrus or diffuse them instead. So totally up to you how you want to use those. But that is super simple. It takes literally like a minute to apply them or to fill a diffuser. And then you have that going for you for either however long the diffuser lasts or on your skin all day. So that's great. And then another thing that I do is I take some supplements to help my body so that I don't get the negative physical effects of stress, because stress can really tear down some of the systems in your body, cell health, DNA health, and I don't want that happening. So Young Living recently came out with, I believe it was last year, a supplement called Cortistop. Sorry guys, this glare is bad. There. Cortistop. And this is specifically formulated to take cortisol, your stress hormone, and keep it going where it should go in your body to keep your hormones and everything healthy, instead of it going to deal with stress when your body's in that fight or flight mode. So hormone health is super important to mood and all that. So when that's going where the Lord intended it to go in your body and not to deal with like oh, she's in hyperdrive, we gotta do something about this, then things just stay happy anyway. So I take that every day. You're supposed to take it before breakfast. Let me be honest, I'm a mom. I don't always get to do everything before breakfast. If I get my coffee before breakfast, I'm lucky. So I just take it when I get the chance, and it's really made a difference for me over probably about the last 3 weeks or so. Also, Super B, I take this for a lot of different reasons, but one of them is that it does benefit stress. It's a full 8 of all 8 of the B vitamins in that complex. It does a whole lot of other things for me. Go do some research on what the B vitamins do. But I love that supplement. I've been taking it consistently taking it since I was pregnant. I think I had taken it some before, but it's one that I don't like to be without. I can definitely feel a difference when I don't have it. That is not the one I wanted. And then also Super Cal Plus, because this has magnesium in it, and magnesium can also help with your mood and dealing with those stressful emotions. So I take all of those. You can also take omega-3s, which would be our Omega Gies supplement, which I do take and just have run out of and need to get again. Also CoQ10, which is in Omega Gies, and our supplement Cardio Gies. Probiotics, so we have Life9 capsule for mom and dad, and we also have a powdered form supplement in our Kidsums line for the kids that tastes like a pixie stick. It's sweetened with stevia, so there's no sugar, and it just helps with that gut health, which then affects everything else in our bodies. And then the last thing I take is our Ningxia Red Juice. Jared and I take an ounce of that every day. It supports every system of your body, but specifically it helps your body deal with oxidative stress, which is key to protecting your DNA and cell health. So those are super important for all of that. So there's lots of things that can cause stress, and no matter what you're dealing with, I would recommend trying one of these. They've done great things for me when I sit down and take the time to use them. So the oils, some of these oils come in our starter kit, which is awesome because you guys get them at a super discounted rate, and you'd have exactly what you need all in one set, plus a diffuser, so you can diffuse them into the air. So lavender, frankincense, stress away, woohoo, seriously awesome, citrus fresh, lemon, and valor all come in our starter kit. They all come in this size, okay? So they don't come in a 5 milliliter bottle. Those are only half of the oils that come. And I actually missed grabbing one. There's one called Peace and Calming. That is also really helpful for that sort of stuff. And I missed that one because it is currently sitting on my son's nightstand because we've been using it in his diffuser at night to help him stay asleep and be peaceful. So those are what I recommend. That starter kit is how Jared and I got started with Young Living. It comes with a free diffuser, which is so pretty, and you can run it overnight. You can run it during the day, whenever you want to, wherever you want to, and it's super simple to use. So I have one of those on hand right now. It's an extra one that I have that I can get to you as soon as you set up an account with Young Living. So we would order one, I'll give you mine, yours will get shipped to me to replace it, but you would get it faster, especially right now since we are having shipping issues worldwide with all the things, right? Jared's picking on me for saying all the things, and now I just said it. But anyway, everybody's having shipping problems right now, right? So if that's something that you want to know more about, or if you are ready right now to get one, let me know, and I will help you get set up, get you what you need. I totally want to help you find exactly what you need to help you live better. That is my goal in sharing Young Living with anyone who wants to talk about it. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your week and that it is as stress-free and relaxing as possible. We'll see you guys next week.